Alright, this will be the first model that we load in rather than the preloaded in the Kobra 3 Max. So we'll print this complete 3D printer test. It's got stress, bed, retraction, calibration, tolerance, and support tests, as you can see here. So we'll get it loaded in. Here's the model sliced. Looks like 2 hours, 55 minutes. Go ahead and show you how Anycubic, I'm not even sure what they call it, Anycubic Slicer Next is similar to Bamboo Slicer. Bamboo Studio. A little different, so we've got bed leveling, AI detection, flow calibration, resonance compensation, and time lapse. I don't have a camera on this yet, and I just bed leveled when I printed that benchy and haven't touched the bed, so I'm just going to leave it and see how that goes. The bed level does take quite a while because it's so big, and so far I haven't noticed that the slicer will instruct the printer to just level the area of printing. It levels the whole bed each time. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. Start print, sending print task, fairly quick, 100%. There goes the fan. We're rocking and rolling. Alright, so what do we see here? See a bunch of Chinese. So I'm guessing with future updates that a lot of that will change to English. Because I don't know what that means. We'll see how that changes with updates along the way. Alright, we'll check back. Here's the first layer of that complete printer test. Did not level the bed before this print, and it looks pretty good. Alright, we're on layer 2, and as you can see, it's going pretty quick, pretty sweet. As long as the quality's there and I don't clog with a bunch of retractions, then this thing should work out for printing images, which is the main reason I wanted it, bigger images. We will see. We've got some more testing to do, and then I'll jump into one of those, see what happens. But looks like speed is there and quality looks pretty good. We haven't, like I said, we haven't fully tested. We need to test retractions, make sure we can retract over and over and over and over, like some of these 3D printed images require, without clogging. Alright, it's been 2 hours 10 minutes and we now have 45 minutes left. Just working on the last bit of the overhang here. We've got 8 minutes left. It's done. And it looks okay. I haven't measured anything yet, but it looks all right. Overhang is pretty good. Lots of stringing, but I think that's the old cheap filament. Printed with a 0.4mm nozzle. So yeah, on to the next test.